going? It's cheap nails. It's Vanna. How you do? I didn't already say that. Why do 95% of the time I'm just repeating myself? Okay, so I'm doing the resurrection nails today for my Easter series, and I'm gonna add these little bits of clay. They're from Jerusalem. So yeah, let's use this clay from Jerusalem in this nail design. Let's get started. Let's go. Let's go. There's nothing to, I can't go that way. I can go this way. Okay, I'm gonna paint all of my nails white for this design, and also remember that nick I had on my finger from the first Easter design? It finally healed up. So yeah, that's awesome. And I'm gonna take some gray acrylic paint. I'm gonna start this Easter lily flower design, and I just gonna take my pencil and I'm kind of gonna draw an Easter lily. I mean, this is the first time I've ever drawn an Easter lily. And looking at pictures of Easter lilies, I gathered that there are sometimes 3 to 4 leaves on them, so that they're kind of pointy. So that's what I'm kind of trying to make. And they have like these little indentations in the middle of the flower, which I tried to put, and then I gave them just a green stem. And that's all that's to it. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same design just on my index finger, which is my pointer. And I'm gonna go ahead and start on my middle finger. And I'm gonna take some light blue acrylic paint, and I'm gonna paint my nail until it's opaque. I did about 2 coats to get this nail opaque. Now that that is all dry, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this special star glue on. And this glue is used for stickers and nail file. Just once you paint it on, it dries transparent and it's sticky to the touch. Now that that glue is all sticky, my finger's sticky, I put the clay from Jerusalem on this little plate, and I mapped out a cross that I want to transfer on my nail. And I'm just going to pick it up with a colored pencil and place it right on my nail, which is sticky with glue, so it'll hold it on. And here I'm just using a colored pencil. It's easy to pick up kind of big things with that. And I'm just going to pick up the cross and move it to my finger. And each side I'm gonna do 2 on the right and left side, and up and down I'm just gonna do 2 on top and 3 on the bottom. Hold on. 3 on the bottom? 4? I forgot what I was doing. 3, 2? Okay, 2 on top, 2 on the sides, 3 on the bottom. That's what it is. Okay, that nail design is all done. Love that cross design. Now I'm going to put some of the same foil glue at the end of my pinky, and I'm just going to put the same clay like rocks at the end of my pinky. There we go. Now I gathered the rocks at the end of my pinky, and it just last one. It just will not, the last rock will not, the last stone, get it on there, get up there. Why am I using a toothpick anyways in this way? What? Oh, there we go. I got it on. Okay, so the design is done. The pinky. The stupid rock. Okay, let me pick. You know what? Get out of here, rock. I'm sick of you. This nail's design is done without that little rock. Okay, now with that, they're done. So I'm going to put a top coat on these flowers, and these nails are done. Okay, there they are. The resurrection nails. And I think they turned out awesome. With the thing that just set it over the top for me is the Jerusalem clay that he used. It's kind of 3D like that, and it's just awesome, and I just love them. Okay guys, that's it for that lovely design. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and this channel. Please subscribe if you do. Give it a like if you liked it. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. I'll see you guys next time.